Gavana wa Kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti Niwaweta Kana Imamai Ninalikiile Maandamano ma Muuo ma Amuika wa Kyumwa Kana Wakeli wa Kivitu na Kutwaiisya Uvuku na Imamai isu Nisyaile Kwosewa Matambya ma Miao Gavana ni wakulia Amuika methia we ma vikiana kumilia Imamai na ila Kuweta tasitwikitha sya andamani anenea mavoko kavinda kala wa kusia kuithwa Kivitu chawe ya kwa maofisa atatu anene ma serikali yake Evo Mutangasi Joyce Gituro na ula wasamwanya wa chief officer wa muvia wa Nialikanile Kaunti ya Masaku. Daniel Mwangala ni wavikavona atomba Nisyaile vote.
Governor wa Kaunti ya Masaku Wavinya Ndeti na nene ya mavoko thini cha kuithwa Kivitu cha mawisa nene Niwaweta Kana Amuika meno thosyo Kutwaiisya maandamano indi maandamano asu maelite utumika ni mang'endili Kwananga mali ya enendi na weta maandamano ni mavituku mali ya latu munene na anangiwe na andu alama Ninalikiile maandamano ma Muuo alama na atwaiwe ni Amuika majenzi ndakulia juma ofisa ma polisi mande no mandana na andu asu na kumekia mbini.
What I would want to ask the people of Machakos, you see, I am sure there are some thugs that were brought to come and destroy some properties in Machakos County. I've kept quiet, I've not spoken about it. Machakos people are not stupid to spoil their own properties. And I'm asking the police, how walikuja kuingililia wale vijana wetu walikuwa na demonstrate peacefully wakaharibu mali ya Machakos, let them be dealt with. Because at the end of the day, if we spoil what is ours, now I am going to spend a lot of money trying to repair what was damaged instead of doing new development. Wale wanajaribu kukuja kuingililia vijana wetu wakidemonstrate peacefully, hata sisi tutawang'oa. We will point them out and we will make sure they get what they deserve, because they cannot come and start interfering with people who are doing their own thing peacefully. To thank our people, they did not allow them to get far. They did not get that far. So what I'm requesting our youth, you want to demonstrate, we don't have a problem. But let us not destroy our property. And if you see these other goons that are coming out, to point them out. Point them out. Because we cannot allow people to destroy our property. It was a bit sad in Machakos. I saw somebody telling me, go and repair the traffic lights on Facebook. And the traffic lights were destroyed on that day. Surely. Mimi najua vijana wangu wa Machakos hawana mambo mingi. I've stayed there with them and I've never even seen this. Machakos has been very peaceful place.
Wengi ni wakulia Amuika maende na kwithukiwa mavata mo kuthinikiwa na mituke ni serikali mbula kana ni vatone kama kaende na Kutwaiisya maandamano ethe wakiuchuo kiithukiwa na mavata mo kwianiwa.
It hurts me as a mother when I see our young people demonstrating and then you have goons coming to interfere with them. I was in the space yesterday and I spoke to them, and when you hear them, sincerely speaking, they have points. They are very sensible. Na hawa ni watu wamesoma, hawa sio wajinga. And I want to tell you, where are they educated? These are children who got free education during Kibaki's time. See, from 202. During Kibaki's time and during Uhuru's time. So we are dealing with a generation that is well educated and well informed. When they ask us to come and sit down with them and talk, let us talk. I'm requesting you. First, no. We have more than 75 to 80% of young generation in this country, and now especially in Machakos. Anything we do, we must do geared to the interest of the majority, who are the young people in our country and in Machakos County. If there are any opportunities or anything that needs to be done in your department, let us make sure we carry these young people along with us.
Daniel Mwankela, Mutongwe TV, kumava mavoko kauntini ya Masaku.